Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily use custom fonts on your iPhone. So for using it, you just need to go to App Store and just download and install this application. Here you can see it, fonts. So just write in search tab fonts and you will see this application. So just click on get. Here you will see button get. So after it will successfully download and install on your device, you will see open. So just click on open and it will open your application. So just click on keyboard. So you will see here first, you will see that you need to go to settings and just allow keyboard allow this application to use keyboard. So after you allow this, I will show you how this works. So for example, I will open Notes, and here in Notes you will just click on change keyboard, and here you will see fonts keyboard. So just open it, and here if you click on font, just click here. So if you click here, you will see here different custom fonts you can also use. For example, this one. And here you can see that we have this another font. And if we go back to our fonts, and we choose, for example, this keyboard. So here you can see that it changed our font. So you can also see here different here you can also add table, just right here, so you can see this table. We can also add. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.